If I'm fixing it, I'm filming it. Okay, time for my Caesar salad. Yeah, garlic, bacon, bits of cheese. Yeah. Okay, salad spinner. Check. Okay. What? It's not working. I really wanted a Caesar. Okay, that's it. Strongest salad spinner. What do we got here? Wow, those look pretty good. Let's buy it. Yep, let's get it. That looks pretty strong. Well, I guess we'll have to put the Caesar salad to the side and let's get this fixed. I think I got the right tool in the garage for this thing. Let's go. Okay, where is that? This will fix it. Okay, where is that salad? There we go, that's fixed. Wow, that is a salad spinner. Wow. Wow, let's take a look at this. Wow. Now that's a salad spinner. That's all industrial. This should last forever. That's real brass down there. Look at that. Take it apart, replace the gears if you have to, but I shouldn't. So, that is beautiful. So this is a dynamic mixer, and I actually got it from Chef Equipment Canada. And this is the 1.25 gallon salad spinner, good enough for 2 heads of lettuce or vegetables or whatever. You can get a double one to a 2.5 gallon, and then believe it or not, you can get a 5 gallon pail. So, and you can even get an electric one too, but that's $800. This one was $97 Canadian, and that's like this is November 2021. Now that's not a lot. I did see some other ones out there, and they were like $80, and they just don't last. This one will last. And they even have a kit that you can take these 4 screws off and replace the gears if you have to, but that would only happen is if they made this clear that when you spin, let it spin. Don't try to stop it. So that's the only thing that would break the gears if you were to stop it, but that's heavy duty. That is, I don't think I'll have to worry about this for the rest of my life. I bought this on my own. These guys aren't paying me or anything like that, but I just wanted to let you know that if you want the strongest, most reliable vegetable salad spinner, this is the one, dynamic. I'm really impressed with it, and I can't wait till I make my first Caesar salad with it. So anyways, I just thought I'd do a little unboxing and review on the strongest salad spinner I've ever seen. Anyways, well, good luck with your salad.